Hey everybody, welcome to Northern Ontario mountain bikes. This is the first time we come out to the jumps this year. We're gonna see what kind of damage old Mother Nature did on the jumps. Had a pretty small winter this year, so we're hoping damage isn't too extensive, but there's only one way to find out. That's why we're going to check it out. Here's the first look, boys. What did old man Winter do to the jumps? I think we got Kent up there. Beat me to the old spot. Got a bit more snow than I thought we would have. Ew! So we made it out here. Found Kent, a wild Kent, in his natural habitat. Came out of hibernation, so we got a bit of a soup here. We're gonna try and work this jump here. Caved in. We had a wooden wall behind it that kind of fell apart, and we're gonna try and add some dirt on top and build the jump properly, not half-ass it like I did last year. Not bad. We're about 2.5 hours in. Got a 4-foot hole dug. Look at that dirt, ladies and gents. Oh, just the clay, the gold. That's the gold we're looking for down here. Look at that, ladies and gents. Oh, no more wood. It's looking great. Fucking right, boys. Should be a good start to the year. So Kent reworked his masterpiece. It's looking fresh. This is just the rough finish here, because we know we're not gonna be getting the nicest weather, but she's a beaut. Jump 4 here, rebuilt. Probably gonna have to rework the transition, but for now we'll leave it as it is because it's pretty muddy. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but yeah, it's a little inconvenient, but we're getting her done. We're gonna have to rework this beast, but that's another day. This thing's looking sharp. Let's check out the crater we built here. Decent. Found that good clay though. Fucking good day. Well, today was a good first day at the Dunny jumps. First day 2021. Fucking out here with Kent. Was a success. Fixed up jump 4.
A little bit dirty.
A little bit dirty. Just a little bit. But it was a success. Kent fixed up the shark fin. It's looking great. As long as we don't get fucking rain for fucking old bit of bike action here. Can't miss that. Oh! I don't know if I got it. I got one hand. I'm holding a speaker here. I hope I got that. First jump of the year. First DJ. Look at this beast right here. Damn, Daniel. Oh my God, look at that rut down there. Yeah, anyways, it was a good time. Built 2 jumps, and we're praying for sunshine the next couple weeks so we can come and actually ride and dig. But till then, ciao for now. How the hell does that even happen, eh? That's fucking neat. It's literally like all the way down there. Oh shit. Great day for nature.